So as you can see, got our Yakima HD Outpost rack, bed rack system in the mail today. Just going to do a quick unboxing, and then later in another video we'll do the install. First things first, the actual HD bars here. They come in a separate package. You also have to order them separately too. These are the extra large ones. These are the 78-inch. So it should go across the bed, cover the whole thing. Perfect for what's to come to be put on there. Let's open it up. It's packaged pretty well. I actually ordered the HD bar from Yakima direct. It took a little bit longer than the actual towers, but ordered these from backcountry.com. Got them shipped almost the same day, and if not the same day, they came in really super quick. So as you can see, just the two bars. They also have basically a guide and numbering on either side, so you can make sure you're even. They also have what I liked, the little hooks on the end. You can I've seen people hang keys on them, and you can also use them as tie downs and whatnot. Racks are pretty simple. Show you how roughly they're gonna fit on here. Be a pretty good fit. The only other thing in the box, a little hex key, Allen wrench for assembly. Now, the most important part, obviously, the actual towers. Again, had to order these separate. Ordered these through backcountry.com. Awesome company, awesome site. Would highly recommend. They, again, sent them really quick. Ordered over the weekend, got here in a couple days. Opening it up here, box looks to be in great condition, minus a few cosmetic things, but I don't think that's going to harm the actual metal super strong Yakima uprights. Kind of shows you the general layout picture on there. When you open it up, on top you get your please read first thing that everything has, your instructions, and some warranty information. It got a little chilly, so I had to go throw a hat on. Alright, so first thing you get, the actual locks, the locking system. Since these can be taken off and put back together pretty easily, they give you a locking system. Here's all your tools, your hardware, bolts, and everything that you need. These are the towers themselves. As you can see, they actually sit inside of a track that's going to be put on there. Pretty solid though. Looks good. Here's that track I was telling you about. It'll sit on basically on the track like so. Pretty nice. There's a, well, we can call it foam, but rubber piece that's protective for your truck and to stop it from moving back and forth. Another tower. I'm guessing underneath that are the other two towers. Along with that are your clamps. They'll actually hold it to the rail. So it's about everything I see in here. I'll do another video showing you the actual install. I'm going to have a friend help me, so I'll be coming at you. Thanks for watching. Also, be sure to follow us on Instagram, and thank you again.